What's going on, guys? Batalha here. In this video I'm doing a review of the Lincoln Electric Weld Pack 140. I bought this a year ago at Home Depot for $650 plus tax, and now it's going for $590. I just checked on the app, so I don't know why the price came down, but that's a good deal. So a little bit about this welder is it plugs into 120 volt outlets, 30 to 140 amps. You have 4 strengths, A, B, C, and D. A is the lowest, D is the highest, and you can go between 1 and 10 on the wire speed. This thing welds up to 5/16 thick, and you can hook it up to gas. It comes with a regulator as well. Another thing it comes with is the 2-pound rolls of welding wire, and first thing when you get this, get the 10-pound rolls of welding wire. The 2-pound rolls run out super fast, and to buy another 2-pound roll, $20 for a 2-pound roll. The 10-pound roll is like $60, so I'm gonna link the 10-pound roll down below. But get the 10-pound roll, you're not gonna have to change as much. You save so much more money. And for the wire, I'm using the Flux Core 0.035. I found that is the best. So before this welder, I had a Lincoln Electric Handy MIG, which is only 80 amps. This welder, the welds heat up way faster. You get the penetration way quicker, because with the Lincoln Electric Handy MIG, you'd have to sit on it, you know, and wait for it to heat up before you can kind of get your penetration. With this thing, man, it doesn't matter what setting you're on, you know, you get that penetration pretty quick. My honest review of this welder is it's worth the money that you pay for it. Most people are going to tell you go buy the cheap Harbor Freight Flux Core welder, or like a cheap welder off of Amazon. And I'm going to tell you, don't do that. Get this thing. Maybe start with one of those if you're just getting into welding. But if you've already been welding for a while, this is definitely going to be the welder you want to get. When I was first learning to weld on the Lincoln Electric Handy MIG, one day it kind of clicked and my welds were like, you know, they were alright. But when I got the Weld Pack 140, you know, and I started messing around with it, I was like, man, it ended up flowing better for me once I got the new machine, you know. Like the first few times I'm welding, I'm like, man, this thing is like that's how you weld. I've had no problems with this welder. Everything's been doing good. I highly recommend and I stand by this welder. I'm gonna put a link down below to Home Depot and to Amazon to get this thing. I highly recommend picking up a cover for your welder if you weld out in a barn or a garage or something. I'll link that below as well. I'm also going to link the 10-pound rolls and the welding jacket I use. There's not much else to say about this welder. This is just a quick review. There's plenty of other videos out there on YouTube, professional welders like testing it, you know, showing how it welds and whatnot. So I highly recommend you go check those out. But yeah, guys, I'm Batalha. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.